Now I'm going to mention a couple of other analyses you can do in Symon: outlier analysis and segmenting data. You might remember learning about outlier analysis in the Overview of Symon.AI for Business Users course. Recall that outliers are unusual values in a dataset. You can use Symon to identify outliers by using the Outlier tool. Identifying and removing outliers can improve your model. There's another analysis in Symon called a segmentation analysis. This analysis involves finding similar rows within your dataset and grouping them. When you apply data segmentation, what you're doing is categorizing your data. From there, you can notice patterns influencing the target column. For example, which products are the biggest sellers for a certain age group. Data segmentation can determine your marketing strategy and can also impact your product sales and customer retention. Symon provides a segmentation tool that displays results right away. It produces the segments and a brief description of them. And that's it! You learned that Symon has the ability to perform an outlier analysis and segment data.